Okay, as we're starting our very first module, we're going to really frame our thoughts. We're going to really take that broad overview and focus on integrative thinking to drive the analysis. So it's not compartmentalized. It needs to be a very broad thought process as we're using our metacognitive skills to integrate very complex factors as we're doing our analysis. So it's not that you're focusing on certain sections at a time. You're needing to incorporate thought that involves very complex processes as we complete the broad analysis, the focus analysis, and then come to that strategic analysis that is the ultimate outcome of this particular course. So as we dive into leadership module number 1, we are going to examine complex systems. We're going to go through, of course, the overview of the module itself. You're going to be reading chapter number 1 in your leadership for evidence-based innovation in nursing and health professions. You're going to read chapter 1 in the strategic analysis textbook, and you're going to be reviewing those authoritative documents as well. So again, we're framing our thoughts, so we're integrating all that information as we move forward in the process of this course. So you need to do the orientation, take a look at the Start Here section, really dive deep into what's included there and know what's available to you as resources within the course to help you to be successful. So we also have all the readings listed out, and there's resources for success. So make sure that you look at these resources in each one of the modules. Again, it will help you to be successful as we're completing this very complex thought process as we're doing each component of the assignments. So we're looking at innovation, we're looking at complex thinking and systems, and we're looking at change processes, the complexity of healthcare. So all of those factors are very important as we move forward. And we're also going to be examining, we talked quite a bit about emotional intelligence, but we also need to consider business intelligence and how those two things actually tick and tie. So all those complex thoughts are what we're going to be melding together. And then I also have included just a basis as far as us doing what we're calling our broad analysis is opportunities and threats, and what we're calling our focused analysis, our internal analysis, is the strengths and weaknesses of the organization. So this is just a teaser as to what is yet to come as we move forward in the course itself. So we will also be doing our first forum. So let's go ahead and pop there. Okay, we're going to start out. Your initial post is due by August the 29th, and your comments to your classmates by September the 2nd, the end of the very first module. So in the beginning, if you could just share some updates about you, your family, what's going on, if you changed jobs, anything that has changed, just as an update, and just kind of reflect on your first year of the DNP program as we're embarking on your final academic year in the DNP program. So kind of share your experience with organizational analysis, and you all will be at different points, so that's why it's so important to help each other out as we're moving forward in this particular course. In addition, you have a choice between what you've learned when you've done some of your readings, or taking a look at the model that's included in your innovation book as part of the cybernetic integration of innovation and evidence model. So take your choice as far as which question you would like to respond to, and I look forward to very vivid conversations, and let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you so much. Take care now.